Hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel Unleash Maths. Today we are at episode 3 of our series How to Learn or Practice Math in a Fun Way Using Playing Cards. Before that, if you haven't watched episode 1 and episode 2, after this episode do not forget to go back and watch episode 1 and episode 2. I hope you are enjoying the series. Let's talk about episode 3. In episode 3, we'll play a game called Flip 3. It's a nice memory game in which children will also practice addition, subtraction, multiplication and division statements. Yes, so the children will practice about operation statements and also it's also a memory game. Want to see? Let's go ahead. To play the game, the first thing we need to do is from the pack of cards, separate all face cards and number cards. I have already done it. We'll remove and discard all the face cards. Remove jokers if any. Aces remains into the number card. We consider aces as number 1. To play the game, I have already shuffled all the number cards and placed it upside down in 8x5 grid as shown over here. This game can be played from 2 to 4 players. Let us assume there are 2 players. Now, as the name suggests, flip 3, players take turn and flip 3 cards at random. Say for example, once 3 cards are flipped, player looks at the card and tries to make any of the operation statement. Operation statement as in addition statement, subtraction statement, multiplication statement or division statement. Now looking at the numbers are 8, 2 and 10. So I can make 8 plus 2, 10. 8 and 2 makes 10. If I am able to make the operation statement correctly, I keep the 3 cards. Now turn for player 2. Player 2 opens any 3 cards at random. Say 3, 9, 8. 3, 9 and 8. Now player 2 tries to make any operation statement using 3 cards, using these 3 number cards. So 3, 9 and 8. They have to check if any operation statement is possible. For example, 8 and 3. So 8 plus 3 gives 12. So this is not possible. 9 minus 3 gives 6. So that's not possible. 9 minus 8 gives 1. So that's not possible. 9 divided by 3 gives 3. Again, that's not possible. So no statement is possible. In this case, the player flip backs the card in the same position. Now it's turn for player 1 again. Player 1 opens any card at random and say 6. Again player 1 tries and observe to make any statement using this number cards. 3, 6 and 10. No possibilities. Put back the card in the same place. Turn for player 2. Now, this is a good memory game. Here, the players have to remember which card was where. So, 3, 5. So, either 3 and 5 can be, 5 and 3, 8 can be done, or 5 minus 3, 2. Now, if the player gets 8 or 2 in the card, the player gets the card. Nothing. Put it back. 7, 8. Ace represents 1, so 7 and 1 makes 8. Player 2 takes the card. Again turn for player 1. The game continues in the same manner until there are only 7 cards left. The winner is the player who has collected most number of cards. Hope you have liked the game. Please share and comment. Do subscribe our YouTube channel Unleash Math. Thank you.